Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you to the Rising Church. This is here just outside of Gunnison, Colorado. We're about a mile due west of Gunnison on State Road 50. I'm going to take you through this church. It's actually only been around just over a year. So they've got a pretty good following. Got a nice playground out here for the kiddies. It's a beautiful day out here. And the view's spectacular. We're way up on a hill too. But come along with us. We're going to show you a little bit about the church itself, a little bit about the music, the preaching, and the facility itself. And maybe, just maybe, if you're in this area, you just might be thinking about coming to a church. Maybe you'll choose this one. And also maybe you'll see something about this church and maybe it will help improve your own church, because that's always our goal. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Church Edition. Through the main doors, entryway, and look at the coffee bar, nice. So a foyer way. We're gonna go down the hall. I think they've done really good use of space. Like, that's the main entryway. They got restrooms down this way. They got upstairs and downstairs for a kids' church, and they also got the younger kids' church this way here. Little place for greeters, and that's the main sanctuary in that way. And real quick, this is a downstairs dinner they're having here after church. They have it on the first Sunday of the month. This main sanctuary is still a growing church. For churches like this, you've got time to grow, because if you outgrow this space, you can just basically have two services. Right now they have one. We're going to go sit up front.
You'll see me, I'll be back there by the end of service, so come say, hey Molly, what's available? Maybe something suits you, maybe you did something last quarter and you want to plug into something new, or you loved what you did last quarter and you want to keep rolling with it. But there's no pressure, but at the same time, we want to keep things rolling, so pray about it.
Cafe, I'm sure there's some great smells coming from the basement, so please join us immediately after service today for some extended fellowship.
Through to promote them. He wants you to start where you're at, and there's a lot of varying factors on where you might be starting and why you're starting there, but it doesn't really matter. That's just your starting point, right? Whatever your family situation was, whatever your spiritual upbringing was, you have what you have. You're at your starting point. But where he wants to take you is off the charts. Where he wants to take you is unlimited. It says the wicked man does deceptive work, but, and this is the part we want to really pay attention to, he who sows righteousness will have a sure reward. He gave his life, right, for us. But do you see the value of God? Do you see how valuable he is and could be for you? Abram, I think he finally did get this, because right in a couple chapters later, God asks Abram for his son. He says, I want you to sacrifice Isaac unto me. And which is interesting, because that's kind of against his own way, right? God, and you were willing to give that to me because you believed in me. You understood how valuable I am as God in your life, that if you were to give me Isaac, that I could raise him back from the dead. You've seen what I can do. You understand how powerful I am. You understand what it means for me to be your shield and your great reward. Those of his own household. He who loves father or mother more than me, don't miss it, is not worthy of me. And he who loves son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. And he who does not take his cross and follow after me is not worthy of me. He who finds his life will lose it. And he who loses his life for my sake will find it.
Well, we really enjoyed that visit to that church, Rising. The we would have done a video on that way out, but it was a little chilly, so we kind of hurried to the car. The wind was blowing, is what it was. But we'll say it's a really nice church. It's a brand new church. It's only been around, I think, if I remember right, it's only been about a year. Everything was brand new, and it's a nice church. I really liked it. We really felt welcome there. I would say that, and definitely enjoyed ourselves, and had no problem returning to that church at all. But next week, I think we got another church, Samaritan church, or another church we may go visit. But if not, we may come back to this church, because we really felt welcome there. Everyone was really nice. Got a chance to talk to the pastor and his wife, people from the band, and other people. So really good. Thumbs up on that visit. No problems there. But be sure to like and subscribe, and come check a look at some of our other churches, and maybe you'll see some things. Maybe you can help improve your own church, or maybe come visit this church if you're in the area. We'll let you go, because we need to get back out here living the coolest life. Church edition.